Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today in the kitchen I'm going to share with you this amazing recipe for Tuscan salmon or marry me salmon. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at our ingredients. Here I have 3 salmon fillet already washed and pat dry. I'll be using some spinach, heavy whipping cream, freshly grated parmesan cheese, some grape tomatoes, onions, garlic, some white wine. I have some smoked paprika, Italian herbs, all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, and complete seasoning. So to season my salmon, I have some sazon, black pepper, Old Bay, all-purpose seasoning, garlic and onion powder. Basically, you want to combine all of those seasonings so they can be evenly distributed onto the salmon. Once you're done, you want to go ahead and coat the salmon with some oil first, and then we will coat the salmon with the seasoning. Make sure that they are nicely marinated for about 5 minutes, and then I'll show you the next step. Here to a preheated skillet, I will add a little oil and then we will follow up with our salmon. You want to sear the salmon on both sides, but remember you don't have to cook them all the way through now because we'll finish them off in the sauce. So once they are nice and seared on one side, you want to flip them over, allow them to sear and become golden brown on the other side, and then remove, set aside, and let's proceed to the next step. Next, I will add some butter to my skillets, allow that to melt. Once it melts, we will go in with our aromatics and the tomatoes. Give those a stir and allow to go for about 2 to 3 minutes. So at this point, you want to add your white wine, give it a stir, and allow some of that alcohol to cook away before adding the heavy cream. You can also add chicken broth here if you don't want to use wine. But once that wine is cooked down some, you want to now add your heavy cream. Give that a stir and allow it to come up to a simmer before adding the cheese. So this is the part where you want to add your Parmesan cheese. Allow that to melt before adding your seasoning. Once the seasonings are added, give it a stir and allow everything to simmer and become well incorporated. You want to let it simmer on low heat until the sauce thickens. Once it thickens, you want to add your spinach in here. Once the spinach wilts, that's when you want to follow up with your salmon. Like I said, you want to add your salmon in last and coat them well with that yummy sauce and allow them to go for about 3 minutes or so that they can cook all the way through. Once they are cooked through, you want to turn your heat off and get ready to plate. It's that simple, guys. Super quick and easy, and it's mouth-watering delicious. Now let me plate this up and show you guys the finished product. So I did pair this with a baked potato and some fried cabbage. It was absolutely amazing, and I can't wait for you guys to give this recipe a try. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, mwah, enjoy